Hello, this short video is gonna show how to use the Ruby Looker Studio connector to view the Ruby data. So first of all, we come here. So this is production deployment ID. So I copy this one and go to a new window. Yeah, you will see the Ruby connector page. Right, because I already logged in, so you can see I can directly select the report from my Ruby database. So in the Ruby database, I have all the reports here, which I can use to render the reports in Looker Studio. So now I select one of them. Maybe I can select test dates here. So I click the connect button. Yeah, I can see the fields. All the fields will be available when I render Looker Studio reports. Then I click the create report button. Yeah, all the fields are here. They are the available fields, not many, but in this report you can actually load some data. So I can put some data as dimension. So client span as a metric. Yeah. So at this moment there's no data because we don't have recent data for these fields. But if I add a data range picker, and select some dates, some previous dates. Yeah, here data comes. So this shows this can show that the user can indeed connect to Ruby to get data. Thank you very much. Hope this helps.